Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your Google account is signed in on the iPhone. This lets Docs show your files. Next, open the App Store and install or update Google Docs and Google Drive so features match the web. Once done, make sure Wi-Fi or cellular data is active. Without internet, the app only shows offline files. Now tap the Google Docs app to begin. That first tap moves you from setup into locating specific documents. In the Docs app, use the top search bar to type a file name, phrase, or collaborator name. Search scans titles and document content for fast results. If results are noisy, tap Filter to narrow by owned, last opened, or starred so you see the most relevant items. If a document still doesn't appear, switch to the Drive app where folder structure and shared items are easier to browse. Drive often holds files that Docs hides due to view settings. Tap any document to open and edit. Use the three-dot menu to move it into folders, star it for quick access, or make it available offline so you can work without signal. Once organized, create folders in Drive and move multiple files at once to keep things tidy. If a document is missing, refresh the app list, verify you're in the correct Google account, and check drives shared with me. As a last resort, sign out and back in, or reinstall the apps to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.